Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to Fundations Unit 13, Week 1, Day 4. Today, we are going to have a word of the day using a vowel team that says O, and we are also going to be doing a dictation dry erase board practice. So go ahead and get your student notebook and your whiteboard, and let's get started with some drill practice. Here we go. Remember to echo after me. I bait A. Y play A. Jeep E. Eat E. Key E. Coin oi. Boy oi. Boat O. Toe O. Snow O. All right, and let's do our short vowel sounds and some consonants. Apple, A. Ed, E. Itch, I. Octopus, Ah. Up, snake, S. Bugs, Z. Zebra, Z. Wind, W. Yellow, Y. Great job, Smarties. And our R control vowels. Car, R. Horn, or. Her, bird, burn, and you are all say, kiss your brain, Smarties. And let's wrap up our drill practice by looking at our trick words. What is the first trick word you see on the screen, Smarties? Monday. Monday. Remember, Monday is a proper noun. That means that it is an important name. So it starts with a capital letter. It also has that vowel team AY. What is this trick word? Tuesday. It is also a proper noun. It starts with a capital letter. It is a name of the day of the week. And it also ends with that vowel team AY. And our last trick word for this week is cousin. Cousin. Great job, Smarties. All right, let's move on to our word of the day. This is a word that has a vowel team that says O. All right, let's tap this word out. Are you ready? O. Flow. In the word flow, what is the vowel team? O-W. What does O-W say in this word, Smarties? Oh. What is another vowel team that says O? O-A, boat, O, and O-E, toe, O. Now remember, O-E also goes at the end of words, but it is not the correct spelling. So flow, we are using that vowel team O-W. Let's clap the syllable in the word flow. Here we go. Flow. How many syllables? One syllable, flow. What kind of syllable is flow? It's a double vowel. It has that vowel team. Flow, double vowel syllable. Now, this is a word of the day, which means that we are going to be using this word in a sentence in our student notebook. So the word flow, what does that mean? If something flows, is that a noun or an action word? Hint, 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 it can be both. But most of the time when we see the word flow, it is an action word. So for example, flow means to move gently or to move in a pattern or together. So when we are using the word flow, we can think of water flowing. We can think of paint flowing down a canvas. What is something that can flow? If something flows. All right. So, as you're thinking about how you're going to use the word flow in a sentence, go ahead and get your student notebook. And we are going to be in page 46. 4 tens and 6 ones. 46. All right. And we are going to write the word flow under the word forbid. So flow, Flow, flow. And my sentence was the water flows down. Ooh, remember OW can also say ow. The water flows down the river. The water flows down the river. And notice that with our word of the day, I also added that suffix s, flows. That means it's happening right now. Flows. All right, if you're one of my Smarties, do not forget to send a picture of your word of the day with your sentence to me in Seesaw. All right, Smarties, you can close that up and go ahead and get your whiteboard out. We are going to do a dictation dry erase practice. We are going to test, we are going to check and see what we have learned so far and see if there's anything that we need to practice or revisit. So I'm going to put myself in the middle of the screen. Whoa, where did I go? All right, here I am, Smarties. My camera decided to stop working. So here is my face again. All right, so as I was saying, we are going to be testing what we know with these vowel teams OE, OA, and OW. Now remember, we talked about how we can use spelling options to figure out which one is the correct one and how to use an online dictionary to find the correct spelling. So let's go ahead and start with testing our knowledge about sounds that we have learned about. All right, the first sound that I would like for you to write is the sound like thumb. What sound are you writing? Go ahead and write it on your board. All right. What sound says or what letters say TH, TH, thumb. Great job, Smarties. The next sound I would like for you to write is all. What is the sound that you're writing? All. Go ahead and write it. What letters say all? A-L-L, ball, all. It's been a while since we've seen that one. Did it test or trick you a little bit? A-L-L, ball, all. And the last sound I want you to write is ink. Ink. What's the sound? Ink. Go ahead and write it on your board. Ink. All right. What letters say ink? I-N-K, pink, ink. Great job, Smarties. All right, now we're going to move on to writing some words. Now, the first two words we are going to do, we are going to be spelling some words using patterns and using skills that we have already seen before. So the first word that I want you to spell is carport. Carport. Let's clap the syllables in carport. Carport. port. How many syllables are there? 2. Let's start with the first syllable, car. K, R. Now move on to the second syllable, port. P, or, t, port. Car, port. That is a compound word, Smarties. Carport. All right, let's check it. Are you ready? Okay, we're testing our knowledge. Carport. C-A-R. Car, port. P-O-R-T. Port. It has those R-controlled vowels. Carport. Great job, Smarties. All right, we're going to test our knowledge again. All right, the next word we are going to write is plastic. Plastic. Are you ready? Plastic. This is tricky. Think about what we have learned when we hear that ick at the end of a word. Plastic. Plastic. If we hear that ick at the end, plastic. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's check. Remember, if we hear that ick in a second syllable, in a multi-syllable word, and we hear that ick at the end, it doesn't need a K. It just has that C. I-C. Plastic. All right, Smarties, the next word we are going to do is a homophone, and that word is toe. What's the word? Toe. Let's tap it. T-O, toe. I want you to write the 2 ways that you can write toe. Go ahead and write them on your board. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. Toe. Think about your vowel teams that say O that go at the end of words. All right, ready to show me in 3, 2, 1. T-O-E, toe. I have toes on my feet. And T-O-W, toe means to pull something. Toe, toe. And the next word we are going to write is the word load. What's the word? Load. L-O-D. Load. Think about your spelling options for load. I will load the car with ice cream. Load. L-O-D. Load. All right, show me the word load in 3, 2, 1. This load, L-O-A-D, load. Remember that vowel team O-A always either goes at the beginning. It's either always the beginning sound or a middle sound. It is never at the end. Load. Fabulous job. If you are one of my Smarties, take a picture of your sounds and words, post it on Seesaw, and then erase because we have trick words and a sentence. All right. The first trick word we are going to write on our board is Monday. What's the trick word? Monday. Let's write it with our fingers on our board first. Ready? Capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Let your mouth be the boss as you spell it with your marker. Here we go. Capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. All right, ready? Show me in 3, 2, 1. Monday. Don't forget that capital M. It is an important name. The next word we are going to write is Tuesday. What's the word? Tuesday. It's an important name, so what's it going to start with? Capital T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Let your mouth be the boss as you spell it on your board with your marker. Capital T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. What day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Wednesday. All right, Smarties. And here is our sentence. Okay. Think about your vowel teams that you have been learning about this week. The soap in the tub was foamy. The soap in the tub was foamy. So let's start by chunking it in words, a couple words at a time. So let's start with that first word, the. Ooh, think about how you start a sentence. The soap. Oh. Soap. The soap in the tub. The soap in the tub was foamy. What is going to say that E sound at the end of foam? Foam. Foamy. The soap in the tub was foamy. Pause the video if you need to finish writing that sentence. Check the spellings of the words soap and foamy. All right, are you ready? Let's check it. The soap, soap. Ooh, that vowel team O-A. It's almost always in the middle or at the beginning. The soap in the tub was foamy. Ooh, what is saying E at the end of that word, Smarties? Y. And it also has that vowel team O-A. The soap in the tub was foamy. There's that suffix Y. The soap in the tub was foamy. If you are one of my Smarties, do not forget to send a picture of your trick words and your sentence. All right, Smarties, that is it for today's lesson. What does O-E, O-W, and O-A all say? Oh, great job, Smarties. Remember, keep that growth mindset. Good learners do challenging things. And I will be seeing you soon with another challenging Foundations lesson. Happy learning, Smarties.